What's up guys, it's Chris, and today I'm right here at Brighton Motorsports checking out this 2017 Camaro ZL1. This is a twin turbo build, pretty awesome, but it's got a few issues that they're going to take care of. So let me introduce you to Simon. He's going to be doing the build. So what are we doing and what's wrong with it?
Hey guys, so this car came to us from a customer. Obviously it's already been built before by another shop, and there's a couple issues with the way that they designed the build, and although it's a world's first, there's just simple things that we need to take care of and make correct. And the first thing is it smokes like a train as soon as you get into boost, and the reason for that is quite simple. If you look down here, you'll notice that the turbo drain back feeds or drain back pipes, they actually are either facing upwards, or in the case of the other twin turbo over here, actually kinked and facing upwards, and that there causes a problem with the oil getting out of the turbocharger back into the engine. It actually pressurizes the oil enough from the feed that it actually blows by the seals and gets burnt inside the engine. And that's why we're getting them to the point where they're just smoking as soon as you get on the boost. So that's the first thing we have to get taken care of.
Go ahead. So this is the world's first 6th generation Camaro ZL1 with twin turbos. So stock, you know, this is the LT4, comes supercharged, 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. As it is, even when it's not running correctly, it has 960 rear wheel horsepower and 1,090 foot-pounds of torque. That is insane, but we're expecting a lot more than that, upwards of 1,200, so should be pretty crazy. Not to mention, this engine is completely stock. Other than the twin turbo swap out, that's it. It's stock from GM LT4. Not to mention, this is a 6-speed car. That's pretty rare for a 1,000 horsepower car to be a 6-speed. It's pretty wild. So on top of fixing some of the issues that this car has, they're also installing a big cam, as well as a few other things that we'll get to when the time comes. So that is going to do it for today here at Brighton Motorsports. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And until next time, we'll see you guys later. Take care.